KP0800. Oh, right. That's a broken housing where the bearing's mounted onto for the drum. Obviously not going to start it like that. How did he manage that? See if we can salvage this. Test it first, I suppose. Make sure the motor works. Obviously not going to test it with that drum the way it is. Take the belt off. Test the motor on its own. That works fine. So it's just a housing we need, as long as the drum itself hasn't been damaged. Because then that would be expensive. Not even sure if this will be worth it, to be honest. Drum seems fine. Might need new set plates. Blade's damaged there. Actual ends of the brush for the brushes. Wire connects onto the brush holder. It's like a wee copper spring. That has to be popped off first. That's what we need. A new housing. Bearing's fine. The rest of the bearings are fine. Right, wait for parts to come on now. Not much to them. Once you tear them all down, one new body. You can see through that. He's actually fitted the blade wrong. Somehow. Maybe over time. That's the actual blade that's cut through that. either fitted the blade wrong or the blade broke and just slowly made its way out, cut through the whole housing. Not good. Get her back together now, the new housing. Don't know what the nail's about. Ah, that's what the nail was for. Just to keep the wee clip out of the way. Just stick it out because it does save the blade whenever you're putting the thing down. That's her. One new body. Just take the sticker off and put that on over there as well, just to have the serial number. That's her. If you want to see more content like this here, check out the YouTube channel. All the long videos and the main bulk of the stuff goes up on YouTube, and also Patreon as well. Plenty of the new videos is up on Patreon. Use that there for actually funding the page. Cheers folks.